What's going on? What's going on? YouTube family, YouTube. All right, y'all. Hey, and the 2004 Audi A8 D3 long wheelbase. All right, update. Had the upper control arms replaced. Crankshaft position sensor replaced. That repair for the crankshaft position sensor. Oh man, listen, I tried it. You gotta have hands of rubber or something. It ain't no good. So I paid a mechanic guy, we call him mobile mechanic, to come and take care of things, and he squared everything away pretty well for a really good price too. He had small little hands, and it worked out really nice for him. He just in and out 2 hours plus the upper control arms. Everything's nice. I just gotta go get a wheel alignment. Other than that, still have no radio. Can't figure out even this little panel doesn't light up. So I probably got an issue with that. I got to dig that out and figure it out. Other than that, the car drives good. I mean, I'm satisfied. I know the real deal repairs will probably be around the corner with 203,000 miles. I'm sure of it. But she's been acting all right so far, and I can't tell people to go out and buy one. I wouldn't do that. No, I wouldn't do that. To me, that's just a recipe for failure, unless the car has been well maintained. And even documentation can substantiate the repairs that will come after the fact. These cars are a trip to work on. They over-engineered them. I like the way it rides. I like the all-wheel drive facilitation. But and the space in the car is off the chart. It's bigger than a 5 S class of this same era, and a 7 series. It's huge. It's just everything is just in a different position. The principles are different, and I'm just not used to it. So I'm gonna probably wind up letting this go. I'm gonna get some things situated, get some things fixed before I do. So it makes it a lot easier to sell. But I'm pretty much I'm not. Audi's not for me. I'm not even trying to front. It's a good look when you got the money and you got the know-how, but right now this car is a little above my pay grade. It's crazy. I like it, but it's not for everybody. It's not for me. I can say that from personal experience. Need something a little easier to deal with. This car is it's a monster. Plus, beauty isn't everything. Just because the car looks good, don't mean you should be having it. You can't afford to take care of it, don't do it. If you can't work on it yourself and with complete confidence, and even if you get information off the internet, you still, These cars are something else. They're really something else. I'm afraid of if a hose breaks or something like that, where the hose is located. They got hoses all through the car, through the motor, and it's hard to get to. It's really hard to get to. I've checked it, on the forums, and people are complaining, but I guess the youngsters who have the tenacity and youth on their side, where you're not really faced with any health issues or anything like that, can do it. When I was younger, I used to rock and roll. Now I'm tired, man. I'm just really not up to it no more. But other than that, it's a great ride. Looks nice. Handles well. It's a great car. It's a little beyond me. I'm not able to deal with it too much. I'm gonna wind up getting rid of it, selling it. Not too crazy, but not too much more than what I paid for it. But I gotta make a few dollars. That's just how that is. That goes without saying. But anyway, YouTube universe family, you guys have a great one. God bless. It's good to try different things, but you gotta know when you're out of your league with things. I'm definitely out of my league with this car. Real talk. So anyway, y'all be good. Peace. One love, y'all. Later.